Hello students, myself Kiran TR. I am here to teach you an interesting and exciting topic in science, electricity. Let's go. We will solve two problems related to the heating effect of electric current. The first one related to the formula of heating effect of electric current, that is H is equal to I square RT. 100 joule of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistor. So we have a resistor which is 4 ohm, and in that resistor how much heat is produced? 100 joule. So 100 joule of heat is produced in 4 ohm resistor. Find the potential difference across the resistor. So we have to find out potential difference V across the resistor. V is equal to question mark. Each second. So each second they have given the time, that is T. T is equal to 1s. So here we'll write the given. H is 100 joule. Each second shows us the time T, which is 1 second, and the resistance of the resistor 4 ohm. Capital R is equal to 4 ohm. We have to find out V. V is equal to question mark. What is the formula that we have to use? V is equal to I into R. But here we do not know I. I is unknown. So in order to find out I, we have two formulas. V is equal to IR and H is equal to I square RT. Here in this question they have given us heat, resistance and time. So when H, R and T is given, we have to use the formula H is equal to I square RT to find out I. So here we will separate I. So we will have I square is equal to, so I square is equal to R and T will come down. So we have H divided by R into T. Now we need only I, but we have I square. So we have to remove the square. If you remove the square here, on the right hand side, it becomes square root. So the square becomes square root. So this is the formula for I, which is obtained from H is equal to I square RT. We will box this. Substitution. The heat is 100 joule, so we write 100 in place of H. R is resistance 4 ohm, so we write 4. Time is 1 second, we write 1. Solving this, we get 100 by 4. Solving it, we get 4 2s are 8, 2 0, 4 5s are 20. Square root of 25 is 5, 5 5s are 25. So I is equal to 5, SI unit of current is ampere, 5 ampere. So now we have found out I. But what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out potential difference. So what is the formula for finding out potential difference? The formula for finding out potential difference is E is equal to I into R. So I, what is the value of I? 5 ampere. What is the value of R? 4 ohm. So in place of R I am writing 4. Multiply 5 4s are 20. So V is equal to 20 volt. So we got 20 volt, which is our voltage. The potential difference across the resistor is 20 volt. This is how we solve this problem. Now we will go on to another problem. An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 840 watt when heating is at maximum rate. So here they are saying that when the heating is at the maximum rate, rounding off 840 watt. So here maximum heat power is P is equal to 840 watt, and 360 watt when the heating is at minimum. When the heating is at minimum, so we have here maximum, minimum. When the heating is at minimum, we write down given power is 360 watt. We have the power 360 watt. What are the current and resistance in each case? When the voltage is 220 volt. So we have V for both maximum and minimum. The voltage is same, that is 220 volt. We have to find out the current and resistance in each case. So what is the current and resistance for maximum heat? What is the current and resistance when it is minimum heat? I is equal to question mark, R is equal to question mark. So for finding out I and R, we have two formulas. P is equal to V into I, and we have the Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So using Ohm's law and the power formula P is equal to V into I, we will solve this problem. I is equal to P by V. So we will solve it. I is equal to P by V. P at maximum heat is 840. V is 220, it remains the same. Here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now we have to divide 42 by 11 to 3 decimals, and then we will round it off to 2 decimals. 42 divided by 11. 42 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33. 9. 11 ones is 11, so you have to take a point to add 0. 11 8s are 88. 2 point is there, we gotta take a 0. 11 ones are 11. 9. 90 again we get 8. 11 8s is 88. Again we get 2, it's recurring. So let's not worry about it since we have got 3 decimals. 818 can be rounded off as 82. 3.82. 42 divided by 11. 3.82. SI unit of current is ampere. So this is our I. Now we have to find out R. R is equal to V by I. R is equal to V by I. V remains the same, 220 volt. What is our I? 3.28. Now instead of taking it as 3.28, we can take it as 42 by 11 for our convenience of simplification. So here I'll be writing it as 42 divided by 11. So what will this succumb to? 220. We are reciprocaling it, it becomes 11 by 42. We can cancel this by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 110 by 21. So we'll have 110. 110 divided by 21 into 11. So into 11. 1210 divided by 21. Here I have multiplied 11 into 110. So 11 into 110 is 1210 divided by 21. So we are dividing this now to get our final answer. 1210 divided by 21. 21 5s are 25 is 100 plus 5 120 105. So here you have 21 5s are 105. So we'll be left out with 16. We'll take 0 down, 160 28 is 160, but we can't go with 8, so we have to go with 7. 147. 6 will become 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, 10 minus 7 is 3. 21 1 is 21, but here we have 13. So we can't continue further. To continue further, we have to put decimal. So we'll put a point and take a 0. We'll do it up to 3 decimals, 21. 7s are, we can't 6 are, 26 are, 126. So we'll be left out with 4. Again we'll take a 0. 21 1s are, 2s are is not possible, 21. So we'll be left out with 19. A 0, 190. 21 8s are, 21 9s are, 21 9s are, 9 2s are is 18. So 189. We can go with 189. So here we have 57.619, which we can round it off to 57.62. Since 9 is bigger than 5, 61 becomes 62. So we have got the resistance, which is 57.62 ohm. This is about maximum heat. Now let us see what happens when the heat is minimum. B answer. The formula remains the same. So I have I is equal to P divided by V and R is equal to V divided by I. Now the values will differ. The value of P is 360. So in place of P I write 360 divided by 220. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So we have 18 divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. 7. 70. 11 6s are 66 point. So let's solve it. 18 divided by 11. We need 3. So 18 is getting divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. 7.0. 11 6s are 66. We'll be left with 4 0. 11 3s are 33. 7 0. 11 6s are 66. 4. So we got 1.636. 6 is greater than 5, so 1.64. 1.64 ampere. Next, R is equal to V by I. V remains the same, 220 volts. Now I, instead of taking 1.64, we will take it as 18 by 11 for simplification purpose. 18 by 11. So what will happen? We will have 220 into 18 by 11 becomes 11 divided by 18. 2 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So again we have to multiply 110 into 11. 110 into 11 is 1210. Here 2 9s are 18, so we'll be left with 9. So we go 1210 is getting divided by 1210 is getting divided by, there it was 21, here it is 9. 2 9s are 18. So since we cut this off, 2 9s are 18. So we are dividing 1210 by 9. 9 1s are 9. Subtracted 3. Take down 1, 31. 9 3s are 27. 27 we get 4. Take down 0, 40. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. So again 4 0. Again we put point and take a 0. 4. So it keeps on going. 4 becomes recurring. So 4 4 4 4. 4 is less than 5, so we hold it to 4. Our final answer is 134.44 ohm is the resistance when the heat is minimum. This is how we solve the problem related to heating effect of electric current. If you love to learn more and need more of these videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Love you. See you in the next video.